Are going to be taking a look at BLDV right now. We put this one on a technical analysis alert. Was going to be on the 12th. It looks like the 12th right here. At 0005, we said technical analysis alert could be setting up for a run here. In my opinion, it was going to be at 0005. You guys went up 0006 that day. And then pulled back down after hitting that resistance at 6. Pulled back down the following day. It's a weekend here. Obviously, the days jump here, so I'm looking at that as well. So you guys have the where is that at? The 14th. Okay, right here. So the 17th, and then the 18th, and then the 19th, and then pow, right out of that gate, you guys come down there, opening up at 0002, hitting the high at 0004, closing the day at that 000, 0003. I'm sorry, you guys getting up to closing at 0004. I'm sorry. And then the next day, you guys opened at 0004, running all the way up to 000. I'm sorry, 0016, and then hitting the high at 0017. Today, you guys have a gap here opening up at 0018 and candle wicking that fill of the gap down to 0016. I always say, I look for full body fills, but something like this with that volume picking up, it doesn't mean that it's going to fill today. I don't think it's going to fill today. I can almost put money on that. I think that's going to personally keep going today. So we'll continue to watch this one. It still might have another day or so in it for sure, but you guys do have that gap now, so I'll watch it as well. But you know what? Congratulations to Jobum here. First bringing this again right here at that 0005. And I mean, you guys are up a couple 100% since then. So like I said, congratulations to Jobum for bringing us this. But I mean, it is up quite a bit now. So I'll hand it off to Joe and see what he has to add.
All right, so they had a press release on April 20th. It was Blue Diamond Ventures Incorporated launches International Cannabis Project with AMS Canada. So Blue Diamond Ventures Incorporated, a Colorado corporation, today or yesterday announces that the company has entered into a joint development agreement with Alternative Medical Solutions Incorporated to import and export targeted medicinal cannabis products and advanced cannabis technologies to and from Canada. So the recent Canatech conference in Israel provided the forum to secure the initial agreements required to pursue this effort. Blue Diamond Ventures is not alone. Jeffrey Friedland, noted author and cannabis thought leader, has announced that CanRx is taking a similar approach by partnering to bring Israel technologies into the U.S. and other countries. So there's a link to whatever that is right there. So Alternative Medical Solutions is in the final stages to gain full license to grow, market, and sell medicinal cannabis products via Health Canada. BLDV has been working with AMS over the last year to finalize funding for its 50,000 square foot cultivation facility. There has been recognition by the Canadian government for the need to allow import and export in this industry, says Joshua B. Alper, CEO of BLDV. This new effort will ensure that AMS, when licensed, will be a global project, with their products being available worldwide and with access to the ingredients and technology that will continue to make AMS a leader in the Canadian market. We are excited to launch this effort with BLDV, said Joseph Grolau, VP of Business Development for AMS. With these specialized products and technologies coming into Canada from Israel and access to global markets with our finished products, we see this as a separate profit center that could even outgrow our efforts in cultivation. Canada will be the home to the new joint venture, and the first market focus will be to bring Israel cannabis products and technology to Canada. AMS is the perfect partner for this project, said Joshua Alper, CEO of Blue Diamond Ventures. They have a great team at AMS that has been challenged by the ever-shifting landscape of compliance and financial requirements. The project can create significant revenue even prior to AMS receiving the cultivation and manufacturing licenses from Health Canada. BLDV Senior Product Manager Jonathan B. Alper, who is fluent in Hebrew, and has been involved in import and export of products from Israel to Canada and the U.S. Over 25 years. Will manage the effort in cooperation with the team of licensed and compliance experts in Canada. So, I mean, it goes on to in other news. Let's see. In other news, BLDV has filed its annual report on the OTC markets, and it has recently secured employment contracts with all key personnel for common stock with the need to raise authorized common stock levels and issue special warrants, options, and or preferred stock. So, with this, the annual report, I went and pulled it up real quick. On it, it's showing that in June 30th, 2016, right, they had a loss of 12,000, a loss of $49,847, as opposed to on December 31st, 2016, they had a profit of $137,958. So they went from a loss of 49,000 to a profit of 137. So, I mean, that whole report's there for people to go through as well. To look at everything else in it. All right, so if you want to continue doing your due diligence on BLDV, just go right over to that board. From there, you'll see the company profile, the time and sales, the recent news, the filings, the financials, the buy rating. And as always, if you have an opinion, feel free to share it with the tens of thousands of like-minded investors that we have using the site daily. I post it right over there on that Blue Diamond Ventures board.
All right, there, 0024. That's at resistance right now that I put in here as well. I said 0022. Watch, could keep going from here, but now has a gap at that 0016 and 18. Resistance at 24. Support at 16 and 0008. Again, I mean, great call again over here on investorshangout.com by Jobham. Beautiful. I mean, over here on the 12th, off of that 0005, just great move. So we'll watch this one, BLDV. Make sure you head over to investorshangout.com/live. Check out our live show and subscribe if you haven't. We'll continue to watch this one.